Ever wondered which Python web framework is best for your project? Python offers a range of web frameworks to choose from, each designed with specific use cases in mind. Today we're focusing on two of the most popular ones, Django and FastAPI. Django, a high-level framework, is known for its batteries-included philosophy, while FastAPI, a modern and speedy framework, excels in building APIs. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of Django and FastAPI, two top-rated Python web frameworks. First up, let's dive into Django, a high-level Python web framework. Django takes the batteries-included philosophy to heart, offering developers an all-inclusive toolset to build web applications swiftly. It's like a Swiss Army knife of web development, furnished with an object relational mapping system, authentication, routing, templates, and much more, all under one roof. Django's extensive built-in features make it an excellent choice for large, complex projects where robustness is key. But it's not just about having a lot of tools. Django is also about using them wisely. It adheres to the "don't repeat yourself" principle, promoting code reusability and maintainability. This principle ensures that you can use the same piece of code across different parts of your project without having to rewrite it every time. In essence, Django is your go-to framework for large-scale projects demanding a robust and comprehensive toolset. Now let's shift gears and look at FastAPI, a modern and fast Python web framework. FastAPI, as the name suggests, is all about speed. It's designed for Python 3.7 and beyond, boasting a high-performance edge that often outpaces other frameworks. FastAPI's speed is coupled with an easy-to-use approach, making it a favorite among developers who need to build APIs in a hurry. But there's more to FastAPI than just speed. It's built on standard Python type hints, which means it's type-safe. This leads us to one of FastAPI's standout features: automatic data validation and serialization. With FastAPI, you get to harness the power of Python's type system, allowing for efficient error handling and data integrity. And let's not forget about documentation. FastAPI automatically generates interactive API documentation using tools like Swagger and Redoc. This means you spend less time writing documentation and more time coding. Now that we've got a basic understanding of both Django and FastAPI, let's put them head-to-head. In the red corner, we have Django, the heavyweight batteries-included champ, known for its robustness and inbuilt features. In the blue corner, we have FastAPI, the lightweight, speedy contender, famed for its high-performance and type-safe approach. Round one is performance. FastAPI, with its asynchronous capabilities, can often outpace Django. If speed is crucial to your project, FastAPI could be your winner. Round two, type annotations. FastAPI uses Python type hints for request and response data, giving you automatic data validation and interactive API documentation. Django supports type hints but doesn't go to the same lengths as FastAPI. Round 3, complexity. Django offers an all-inclusive experience, making it easier to start a project without worrying about integrating different components. FastAPI, on the other hand, offers more flexibility and control, but may require a bit more elbow grease to integrate certain features. The final round, async support. Django does support asynchronous features, but FastAPI was designed with async from the ground up, making it a go-to for highly concurrent applications. So, who should you put your money on? If you're working on a large, feature-rich application, Django's your champ. But if you're building a fast, high-performance API, FastAPI could be your winner. The choice between Django and FastAPI ultimately depends on your project needs. Django excels in comprehensive web applications, while FastAPI shines in high-performance APIs with strong typing and async benefits. So we've covered a lot, haven't we? Let's tie it all together. Django, the high-level Python web framework, is your go-to for developing large, complex projects with built-in features like ORM, authentication, and templates. It's all about rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. On the other hand, FastAPI, as the name suggests, is all about speed. It's a modern web framework that leverages Python's type annotations for automatic data validation, serialization, and interactive API documentation. It's incredibly efficient, particularly if you're building APIs that need to be fast and type-safe. The key differences? Well, FastAPI shines with its performance and native support for asynchronous programming, while Django impresses with its all-inclusive experience and robustness for large projects. Remember, the best framework is the one that fits your project needs the most. So whether it's Django or FastAPI, you're equipped to make an informed decision. Until next time, happy coding.